Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with a DAX in Power BI and you are ever wondered how to extract unique values from a column or control context in your calculations, then today's function is for you. We are talking about the values function. Let's dive in. Yeah. So, what does the values functions actually do in simple terms? It returns a distinct list of values from a column based on the current filter context. Okay, it's super useful when you want to see which item are present in the visual, or when you are building dynamic measures that responds to slicers or filters. Okay, the syntax is very straightforward. Okay, that is values of column name. You can also use it with a table name to get one column table of distinct rows. But here's the twist. If there are no rows in the current context, values returns blank table. Okay. And if there are more than one value, it returns a table, not a scalar. Okay. Let's jump into Power BI and see it in the action. I have got a sales table with a column called a product. Now I will create a measure. I created a measure to count how many unique products are visible in the current context. Okay. Here DAX I have written. Look, product count is equal to count rows of values of sales of product. If if I add this to the visual, like I have added this to the visual with a slicer for category, the count updates dynamically based on the selected category. Pretty cool, right? So now when I select all, it is showing 4, and when I select fruit, it is showing 2, and when I select vegetable, it is showing 2, right? Okay. And yeah, here's the uh, few powerful use cases in the values. First thing is creating dynamic titles or labels, and second thing is like filtering data inside the calculate, and third point is like comparing current versus previous selections. But be careful if you are using the value inside a scalar expression expecting a single value, and the result is a table with multiple rows. Okay, it can throw an error. In those cases, like use selected value instead. Got it? And yeah, that's the wrap up of the value function in Power BI. It's simple but incredibly powerful when used right. Okay. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Power BI tips, and yeah, let me know in the comments which DAX function you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.